Hi, I'm Sam with jbugs.com, and we're going to install a fire suppression system in our Super Beetle. We never want to imagine having to deal with an engine fire in our Super Beetle, but an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. If we were to have a fire, having an onboard suppression system can be the difference in having to repair or replace a few pieces, as opposed to repairing or replacing an entire car. We're installing a BlazeCut T200E fire suppression system. It's a simple plastic tube that's capped off at both ends, one of which has a gauge for monitoring the pressure in the tube. In the event of a fire, the plastic tube will melt at approximately 248 degrees and release the pressurized extinguishing agent to cool the air and eliminate the oxygen in the engine compartment. The BlazeCut tube is filled with HFC 227EA, or heptafluoropropane, a clean gas that won't leave a residue or corrode the paint, engine, or any of the accessories. It's a modern, environmentally safe version of Halon and is safe on electronic devices, such as our coil and electronic distributor. We're going to attach the BlazeCut to our deck lid and loop it around the edge, and then attach either end to the mounting studs at the license plate light. We unthread the outer two nuts, then mock up the tube, and we'll use an insulated loop clamp to hold either end at the license plate. With the route and the mounting method for either end decided, we'll bring the two ends together so we can find the middle of the tube. Since we have an original deck lid with drain slots, we can zip tie the middle of the tube to help hold it in place while we secure the ends. BlazeCut recommends zip ties, which they include, or insulated loop clamps to hold the tube in place, as metal straps and clamps can create hot spots that might set the tube off inadvertently. With the center secure, the ends of the tube are secured to the mounting studs for the license light with insulated loop clamps, and the nuts we removed earlier are reinstalled loosely. An insulated 7/8 inch loop clamp is ideal for holding the ends of the tube, and with them in place, we bend over the tabs on our deck lid to clean up the installation. Then, we close the lid, and looking through the vents, we can see the BlazeCut is clear of the engine and in a great position to extinguish any fires in the engine compartment. We open the deck lid so we can tighten down the license plate nuts, cut our zip tie down, and install a warning sticker. Finally, we'll note with our mounting setup, we can easily see the temperature gauge, which at room temperature likely reads at the bottom of the green area, or close to it. As long as the needle sits in the green, or you can see the liquid and a bubble in the tube, the BlazeCut system is ready to operate 24 hours a day for up to 10 years. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you have any questions. If you don't mind, click that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe as well. If you want the peace of mind of an onboard fire suppression system, or any other parts for your vintage Volkswagen, fire up your browser and head over to jbugs.com.